Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to affix your name and signature in a PDF document using the PDF.co web API. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. To perform this task, we will use an already configured PDF.co's Postman. To set up your Postman, kindly check out the tutorial link in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF invoice to sign John Doe's name and signature right below the table. So, let's get started. On your Postman Collection tab, kindly open the PDF Add Text Signatures and Images to PDF folder and click on Post PDF Edit Add Endpoint. Next, click the Headers menu and add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Then click the Body menu. In the name param, enter your desired output file name. In the URL param, input the direct URL of your source file. In the annotations parameter, you can add the text objects such as a person's name. Next, add the X and Y coordinates where you want to add the text object. You can easily get the X and Y coordinates using the PDF.co PDF Viewer tools. You can see the link of the PDF Viewer tools in the description box below. Then add the size value of the text object. And add the page value. 0 stands for first page and 1 stands for second page. In the Images param, add your signature's URL. You can easily create a signature using the PDF.co Draw Signature tools and save your signature as an image or base64 data URL. You can see the link of the Draw Signature tool in the description box below. Then add the X and Y coordinates where you want to add your signature. And input the signature width and height value. Then add the page value. Once you're done, click the Send button to see the result. The PDF.co process our request successfully. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully added affix name and signature in a PDF document. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.